You know, I've been wanting to buy something for the Mustang, really ever since I got it, and we finally did it. We finally bought something that is gonna make the Mustang go fast, hopefully. I've got some of it out. I'm gonna finish unboxing it here in a second, but what we're staring at here is a turbo kit here for the Mustang. We're gonna be rocking an On3 Performance 70mm. I think it's got a billet wheel on it as well. Nice. Yep, billet. Sweet. But yeah, there are so many of these little styrofoam kernels in here, so I've already got the bag going here. Just gonna finish pulling this stuff out and see what else is in here. Dude, Ziggy got a ping pong ball stuck up in the header.
Don't let him. He just puts his head in it.
Yeah, you can fit my cats.
Wow. Your camera has...
I had opted to get the thick-walled 304 stainless manifold and crossover pipe set. They're welded on both the inside and the outside. Everything looks real nice. V-bands, pretty sweet. I want to open up the turbo. All right. Let's see this thing. Oh, you got to get up close here.
Oh.
So I've got some gaskets. Nice. See?
Wow.
Dang. 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 Nice and tight. Look at that thing. On3 Performance. Look inside the, do you see like the marks?
Oh, yeah.
Very cool.
And Ziggy's helping.
Ziggy's checking stuff out here. He's digging the manifolds for sure.
So that's gonna make you fast?
It's, yeah, as long as we can get the car running right, then I think it's gonna go fast. Hell yeah. Very cool. All right, what else is in here? Dang. Got probably some intercooler piping. And yeah, we're gonna pull the rest of this stuff out here. Sweet little air filter going on. Oh, intercooler. Sick. Oh, sweet. So this has like a pick list on it. So that'll show me what they grab. Look at how many freaking packing peanuts are in here. Some couplers. Sweet. Nice, some clamps. V-band clamp. Sick.
Here we are.
All right. No,
and, okay.
All right, so this, I believe, is the blow-off valve here. Nice. Nice little spring. This is the unit here.
There it is.
Sweet. I think he's going ham over there, dude. Nice.
There we go.
Some more stuff there. Oh, heck yeah. Sick little wastegate action.
Wow. It's crazy looking.
Sweet.
Yeah. The last box.
Yeah, I believe so. So this is the
that
last box here. Sweet. So this is a like oil feed kit for the turbo. Some high quality vacuum hose.
Fox 5.0.
Oh, this is a
I should play it.
billet vacuum distribution block here.
Okay.
Might be 3 already plumbed in. Probably gotta wrap those with some plumber's tape or something. Get a thread sealant, and it's got 3 more there.
Sure.
Oh, there's
Makes
that.
sense.
I mean, holy moly. It's a dang turbo kit.